To able leaders and government officials present today in this occasion, your presence here is a vital acknowledgement of the unimaginable tragedy. We look to you, not just for comfort in this hour of darkness, but for solid action, accountability, We look at you not for comfort in this hour of darkness, but for solid action, accountability, and all leadership in the days to come. We trust that you will use your authority to seek justice, provide necessary resources for healing, and to ensure that every measure is taken to protect our very students in schools and citizens at large, so that such dehumanizing tragedies will never recur in our nation. To our entire community, have in mind that adversity tests the fabric of who we are, but it also reveals our deepest capacity for compassion. Let us wrap ourselves in love and solidarity. Let us be there, be the shoulders to lean on for each other, the hands that will help rebuild, and the voices that refuse to let hope fade. We've incurred a loss today, and we are all suffering in different ways. But greater promises of the Almighty await us. Let us be consistent in prayers, uphold humanity, proper upbringing of our biggest investments, our children, and hope for a brighter future. Together, we will remember our departed souls. We will heal. We will ensure. Thank you. Asanteni na pia kwa the entire community and the leadership of Kenya. Ninasikia niseme hivi. It is time that we rise up. It is time for us to have a new beginning. As far as the new policies that are in the education sector are concerned, we need to rise up, we need to sober up and see the best way how we can bring soberness in our schools. Wazazi wetu, najua waka wetu wengine maisha ni ngumu. Wakati mwingine ni kweli tunalaumu walimu. Lakini ninaomba kama mzazi ambaye anaugua, let us create time for our children. Let us have time with our daughters so that wazazi ninaomba tupate kuwa na wakati na watoto wetu. Let us not focus on looking for money and forget that we have a sole responsibility of bringing up laws that is lives that will be accountable. At times you are so busy, and some of these children are seeking attention in wrong ways. Makosa ikitokea, tunalaumu walimu. Tafadhali wazazi, wacha tuchukue jukumu letu. Kama wazazi, let us do our best as parents. Na walimu wetu, I think teaching is a calling. Let us do our best to ensure that the lives that God has entrusted with us are safe, well taken care of,